I'm going to teach you how to play All I Want for Christmas Is You on the piano. It's really easy. All you're going to do is put your fingers on B, D, and G. You're going to play 2 sets of 6. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move this finger up to E and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move your thumb up to C and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then move your hand up to D, F sharp, and A. So you're moving it up 1, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to play something fun, which is called a glissando. That's it. It's going to sound like this.